This is INFINIX Note 4D Pro, and today I'll show how to perform an initial system setup on this device. So in the beginning, select what language you would like to have your setup and consequentially the system in. Then select your country/region. Insert a SIM card if you want to. I will quickly show how to do that. So take an injection or SIM tool. Usually it comes alongside the phone from the box or in the box. Or you can use like a needle or unfolded paper clip like I do, since I'm too lazy to get an actual injection tool. Now let's see, the SIM card tray is located at the bottom part of your phone's frame. So take the phone out of its case, if it is in the phone case, of course. Then push your injection tool inside this little hole to the left of the SIM card tray. Push it in, and it should pop right out. Now use your fingers or nails to, take it out. Take your nano SIM, align it with the slot, and then simply return the SIM card tray back inside the phone. So now you can also connect your smartphone to a Wi-Fi, or you can skip this step and perform this setup in the offline mode, but I'll establish the Wi-Fi connection. Here, read and agree on the user agreement and services terms and so on. Now you optionally can copy your data and apps from the previous device, as long as all those apps and data are synced with your Google account, or you can set this device up as fresh and new. So I'll go with done copy option. Now once again, optionally, you can sign into your Google account, or you can do that later as well. I will actually log into mine. So let me quickly input my credentials off camera. Here, enable whatever Google services you plan to use and switch off the options that you do not want to have active. Select your preferred search engine or what search engine you would like to have as your default. Now you can also set up Google Assistant or skip this step. Once again, that is entirely up to you. Then the setup will also suggest a few additional things you can also configure now or leave them for later, or if you do not want to touch them at all, you can just ignore them permanently, of course. Here you can sign into your INFINIX ID account, but once again, that is optional. I'll skip this step. You are also presented with an opportunity to lock your screen now, or once again, you can do that at any given point in the future. So I'll skip the step for now. Now you can use the proprietary INFINIX mobile cloner tool to transfer data from your old phone without mobile data. Once again, I do not need to do that. Select your preferred system navigation method between digital buttons and gestures. And within, I don't know, maybe a few seconds to a few minutes, your phone should finish the setup and you'll be able to start using it, as you can see. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.